Have you forgotten your MetaQuest pin? If you have, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm exactly going to show you how to find your MetaQuest pin. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you keep watching this video till the end, and let's get right into the video. Now there is no separate section on the MetaQuest app where you'll have the pin displayed. If you have forgotten your pin, then you can reset your pin so that you can create a new pin for yourself. So open up your MetaQuest app and tap on the menu on the bottom right, and from here tap on settings. From the settings menu you can see all of these options. You'll need to head over to the first one, which is account settings. Now through this section under security, you'll see an option of reset MetaQuest pin. Tap on this option and it's going to take you to a section where you can change the pin. So if you did know your current pin, you could type in the current pin and type in the new pin to change it. But in case you don't remember your current pin, you can tap on the forgotten pin link and tap on request pin reset. Now a reset link will be sent to the email address that is linked with your MetaQuest. So quickly open up your email, and this mail should be received on your email, from where you just need to tap on this link. Once you tap on the link, it's going to take you to a section where you can now create a new pin for yourself. So in the first section, type in the pin, and in the second section again confirm. Make sure that both of these pins match, and all you need to do now is tap on save. And your MetaQuest pin will be successfully reset. Now you can use the new pin that you just created. So that's the easy process on how to find your MetaQuest pin. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. And if you have more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.